Hey there. Today, I'm going to give you the perfect way to respond when a woman hugs you. Most guys don't realize this. A hug isn't always just a friendly hello or goodbye. Sometimes, it can actually be a sign that she's interested in you. In the next few minutes, I'll explain 4 types of hugs women give and how you should react to each one so you don't miss your chance. Let's be real. A hug can mean a lot more than just being nice. It can show attraction, comfort, or even be a way to test how you react. The problem is, many guys miss the signs and act the wrong way. That can make them seem disinterested or unsure, which can kill any chance. 1. The friendly pat. This is the quick hug with a few pats on the back. It usually lasts just a second or two. It's light, with little body contact, and feels more like a polite gesture. If a woman hugs you like this, she probably sees you as a friend, not something romantic, yet. But don't lose hope. Use this moment to slowly build more attraction. Be friendly, confident, and create deeper conversations. 2. The firm hug. This hug is a bit stronger and lasts a little longer. She wraps her arms around you with more intention. This shows she feels comfortable around you. It doesn't always mean she's into you, but it's a good sign. Don't pull away too fast. Hold it for just a second longer than expected. If she smiles or makes eye contact after, she's enjoying the moment, and you're building connection. 3. The lingering hug. This hug lasts longer than normal. She stays close, doesn't rush to let go, and might rest her body more against yours. This is a big sign. It often means she's feeling emotionally or physically connected. If her breathing slows and her hands stay on your back, she's clearly comfortable. Don't be the first one to pull away. Match her energy. A light touch on her lower back or a gentle squeeze can say, "I'm into this too," without saying a word. 4. The intimate hug. This is the deepest type of hug. She rests her head on your shoulder or neck. Maybe touches your back softly and stays close. This shows she feels safe close and probably attracted to you. Don't rush. Let her feel your warmth. If she stays, it could mean she wants something more. Look for small signs, like if she pulls you closer or leans her head in. If you see these signals, stay calm, be present, and show confidence with soft touches or eye contact. Next time a woman hugs you, don't just think it's just a hug. It might be her way of testing your reaction or showing she's interested. Stay calm, confident, and respond with simple, natural gestures, like a soft touch or holding eye contact. Don't act nervous or overdo it. Just be present and comfortable. You never know. That hug might be the start of something more. So tell me in the comments, what do you think is the biggest sign of attraction in a hug?